Pavi Homestay by Trung Tran Studio in MèO VEC District, GIANG, Vietnam. Pavi Homestay is a house located in a village surrounded by the mountains of Dong Van, Meo Vac stone plateau. The entire village is planned according to the architectural style of the Mong ethnic people to develop tourism. However, during the operation process, many inadequacies appeared, affecting the experience of tourists when staying there. The homeowner wants the renovated house still to retain the typical architecture of the Mong family, but still bring surprising experiences to visitors when staying there. During the process of renovating the house, we kept the entire existing traditional wooden house frame, adding wood-paneled walls and walls that create the effect of a mud-walled home of local people. The house is designed with 3 blocks: the main house, the side house, and the long corridor. The main building block is planned to be a 2-story building with 8 bedrooms, all with different structures. Each room is like a small house in a large whole. The horizontal house block is a row of houses with 3 bedrooms for families. It is convenient for a family when there are grandparents, husband and wife, and children traveling together but want to stay in the same room as when they live together. Share a house. Therefore, the room is designed with a completely separate structure, with separate beds and toilets below for the elderly, while a small wooden staircase leads the young family above. The room's details are designed with many curves to help the room look larger and more spacious. The surrounding corridor is made entirely of wood and covered with yin and yang tiles like the main house, to connect the blocks together and serve as a place to serve meals to visitors. There is a small bar to serve drinks. The entire house's design is inspired by the yin and yang tiles of the Highland people of Ha Giang. Yin and yang tiles are dotted throughout from the outside to the bedrooms and decorative details, creating a seamless look for the house, harmonizing with the general landscape of the entire village. We hope that visitors will have the most enjoyable experiences when traveling to the Dong Van Stone Plateau, and a mixture of excitement and curiosity when having the opportunity to stay here.